With the S90 Ambience, we have taken the idea of luxury to the next level. We've gone beyond the materialistic idea of luxury and actually explored more about how people feel. Volvo is a human-centric brand, and therefore it feels very natural for us to develop this side of human care. The S90 Ambience blends three elements together, and this is a visual experience, sound and scent. And when it's mixed together, it creates a really magical experience. You have an app that you can download onto your personal device. And from there, you can choose from a whole menu of different experiences. For example, we have the Swedish forest, the mythical Northern Lights. And also, if you want to be energized, you can actually select something that gives you a pulse of energy inside the car. Once you've selected your experience, you will see it displayed in front of you on the headlining of the car. You'll also get the sound from the enhanced sound system by Bowers & Wilkins with extra tweeters in the headrest. And in the center of the car, we have a device that holds 4 scents. And in there, one of them will be deployed to match the experience that you've chosen. So what we've achieved here is not only great Scandinavian design, but also a car that really connects with your senses. And for me, this really is the next level of luxury.